Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of home decor with a focus on artificial plants. Specifically, we'll be taking a close look at the LUWENER 6FT Faux Fiddle leaf fig tree. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the specifications. The LUWENER Faux Fiddle leaf fig tree stands at a stunning 6 feet tall, making it an eye-catching addition to any space. With over 85 lifelike leaves and a dense foliage, this artificial tree brings the beauty of nature indoors without the hassle of maintenance. Now, what sets this faux fiddle leaf fig tree apart? Well, for starters, it's crafted with high-quality materials that mimic the look and feel of a real fig tree. From the realistic bark texture to the delicate leaf details, every aspect is designed to fool even the most discerning eye. But that's not all. One of the standout features of the LUWENER tree is its versatility. Whether you want to spruce up your living room, office, garden, or even your balcony, this artificial fig tree fits seamlessly into any environment, both indoors and outdoors. Plus, thanks to the soft metal wires hidden within the branches, you have the freedom to customize the shape of the tree to your liking. Whether you prefer a tall and upright look or something more whimsical, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about installation. Setting up the LUWENER Faux Fiddle leaf fig tree is a breeze. It comes packaged with a black plastic basin, perfect for immediate use. However, if you prefer a different aesthetic, feel free to transfer it to a pot of your choice. What are customers saying about this product? Well, the majority are thrilled with its lifelike appearance and easy maintenance. Many have praised its ability to add a touch of greenery to their spaces without the hassle of watering or pruning. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your home decor with a touch of greenery, look no further than the LUWENER 6FT Faux Fiddle leaf fig tree. With its lifelike appearance, versatile design, and hassle-free maintenance, it's sure to become the centerpiece of any room. That wraps up today's review of the LUWENER Faux Fiddle leaf fig tree. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!